What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So another quick video for you guys here. We are working at the farmhouse and we're staying over here, and it's afternoon time now, so I'm gonna give you guys a look here. Just want to show you what it looks like when it's raining at the farmhouse, right? So check this out. So you can see the rain set up here. So there's a little storm in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's the rain there, right? Actually looks pretty cool. It looks like nature, you know. So I'll get my big umbrella, I'm gonna walk around and show you what's going on over here, right? Check this out. So you can see we start taping up the windows to paint, but the rain come down. You can hear the frogs. You can see all here. See water gushing out here. I got fix that gutter there. That's on the job. We're gonna go in the back. And the cows are not, I think they're very far away. Can't see them. That's the pool area there. Kind of looks nice when it's raining over here. And the cows are not there. The cows are usually over there, right? So we're in the jungle here and it's raining. You can see the sky. It now look like it got end soon. So give you guys just a quick look here. Rain. A lot of rain. So this is one of the things I just installed actually here. And it looks like it's working, because the water is not draining properly like over here. See that? I have to go up there and fix that. But yeah, so that's where we at right now in Lakeland. Today is Friday afternoon. Anyways guys, that's the end of this quick little video here guys, for you guys. Just an update on what's going on right now in Lakeland, Florida. It's Friday afternoon. Tomorrow we're going back to Orlando. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.